Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to remove component in Figma. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, we need to be create an elements over that dashboard. So let's create an rectangle. Just click over here and create an rectangle, then change the color over that place. Let's make it this color, it would be good. And then let's try to make it as a component. So select all the rectangle and then come over here and find out component option. In here you can see that where is the component. Yes, you can see the first one is create component. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it already made component. And now if you want to remove component from Figma, then you need to be go on that place. In the bottom bar you can see we have option here, actions. Just click over here, detach, and you will be suggest this option, these apps. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you can see one component successfully detached. So the process is really simple. I try my best to make it so much simple and quick tutorial for you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you think this video was informative for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video.